Hello everybody, and welcome to another Agile IT Tech Talk. I'm your host Sean Spicer, and this is a reboot. So for the last 3 years, we've been putting our Tech Talks up on YouTube in an effort to share some of our internal resources with the community at large. And a lot of times these videos would become very long, sometimes up and over an hour. And we've noticed that a lot of people jump in and want to get a specific piece of information. So we're still going to be going as in-depth as we always have, but we're going to break things up into individual features and try to keep our videos a lot shorter moving forward. So today, we're going to talk about using browser personas in Microsoft Edge. And there's a lot of reasons why you would want to use browser personas. Probably the most likely is work-life balance. So instead of having your work and your home bookmarks all mixed up, getting remarketing from things you look at work, by separating your browser personas, you're creating an environment where you have separate cookies. It's really as if you are on two separate machines, if you will. And it's super easy to set up in Microsoft Edge. You're going to go up here and you see the little icon. It's showing that I'm on my personal profile, and you can see that I have my personal bookmarks lined up, like things I play with my kid. But we're going to go over here and we're going to add a profile. And once we add this profile, and we're going to add a work profile for our mod admin for the demo environment that we're going to be using for the Tech Talks moving forward. So we want to sign in to sync data. We're going to use a work or school account. It's going to prompt us to sign in with our email. In this case, we're going to use our demo admin. We're going to go ahead and get that password. We do not want to allow the organization to manage this device. Now, if you are in a domains joined computer, you will probably want to do this, but at this point, we only want it to manage this because I'm on my personal machine. So do we want to sync browser data? Yes, we do, and confirm. Later, I will show you how to use Microsoft 365 to automatically deploy bookmarks. But in this case, we now have two separate environments, and we can swap back and forth, and things won't cross-contaminate each other. Now, this is going to be really cool for our next Tech Talk, which is all about how to use this feature and Edge web apps in order to do teams in multi-tenancy. If you have a reason to be involved in two Teams tenants, you know how frustrating it can be to try to shift back and forth within the Teams app. This gives you the ability to have an application on your computer that opens up a web version of Teams, and you can have 2 tenants, 3 tenants, or 20 tenants all open at the same time. Thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great day.